Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Bradley Nelson, the co-creator of the Body Code and the Emotion Code, author of the Emotion Code. There's been so many copies of the Emotion Code that has been translated and sold all over the world. I am excited to be a part of this. November 5th and 6th, we are going to have a workshop, a live workshop. It's the only time Dr. Bradley Nelson will be in the East Coast. We are going to learn about how to tap into our subconscious mind so that our body will tell us what is the root cause. I know it sounds a little hokey pokey, but it works. I'm telling you that the body holds so much information. But the problem is, we don't want to know. We just want to take a pill. And as you know, my registered service mark is you can take a pill or you can take responsibility. So this is an opportunity for you to take responsibility and say, what is the truth that I don't want to learn? What is my body trying to tell me that I don't want to tap into? No more. You can go. And by the way, we're thinking about streaming this. And if you are interested in the live stream, maybe you can't travel, maybe you live in Europe, or you are halfway across the world, or even you cannot leave your home because the pain has been so terrible for you. You can. We are looking at streaming this event. Of course, the people that are live have the advantage of having one another, but if you cannot make it, you can still be a part of it and learn the process so that you can do it on yourself or somebody else, even your animals. Dr. Brad did not say, even your animals. He loves the animals. And so I just want to encourage you to go to whenyounneedafriend.com. While you're there, please subscribe to the channel so that you know who are the teachers in the classroom. And you can just, if you're a subscriber, you can just click on Dr. Brad's name or click on anybody of the teachers that are in the classroom, and it'll take you straight to their website. I just want to make sure that you have everything that you can have so that there are no excuses. Oh, I didn't write it down. Well, you don't need to. Just go to whenyounneedafriend.com. Again, subscribe, and you will get the classes sent to you in your email too. So there's so many different ways that we can grow together. Like and follow me on social media, watch me on YouTube, BitChute, Odyssey, and Facebook. And now you can find us live at whenyounneedafriend.com. We're still working on that one because once I hit the record button, it stops. But anyway, that being said, we have the power in us. Luke 12:12 says, the Spirit will prompt us when we need it. We need it. It is time. It is time not only to heal ourselves, but heal our past traumas, our generational traumas that we inherited from our fathers and mothers and aunts and uncles, and all the DNA line that's trapped in us. It's time to let it go. It's not ours to solve. It's just ours to release. And it's time. So if you want to attend November 5th and 6th, I hope that you will mark your calendar, start saving your money if you think that it's going to be too much. It's a 2-day workshop in beautiful Cocoa Beach, Florida. The hotel is affordable. We made sure that we found a place that was affordable, but there are other hotels. If you want a more exclusive hotel, you can do that as well. The point is, I don't care how you get here, just get here. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyounneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.